Hi, I'm Megan McIntyre. I'm your instructor this semester, and I'm looking forward to learning alongside you. I'm going to quickly run you through an overview of our course. Over here on the right-hand side, you will see a news section. So here I will be posting general information, tips for success, and other pertinent things that I want you to be aware of on any given week. Over here, under the Start Here widget, you will find your course welcome, which gives some information about me, this course introduction video, and of course, your syllabus. It's really important that you print your syllabus out, that you read it in detail, and that you highlight important due dates or information on there. It is written with the intent of setting you up for success, and all the information that you will need to know is contained within that syllabus. Under that is your resources widget. Here you will find a LibGuide, and that is a link to all the library resources that you will need to complete your project and utilize throughout the semester, as well as contact information for our librarian. Under there is a link to Smart Thinking. This is a free online tutoring service that HACC subscribes to. So please take advantage of it, submit your written papers to it, and get their feedback before submitting them to me. Under that is a link for technical support. HACC's IT department is wonderful. Please use that to reach out to them should you be having any trouble. They are the experts. And then just some general sample marketing plans. Under that is the content browser. Each week you will be given all of the things that you need to complete that week within that particular module. Each week a new module will be released to you that you are to complete that particular week. Under that, there's some information about HACC Life. So I want you to be engaged with the HACC community, and I will be working to keep that updated in how we can envelop you into our HACC Life. Under that is a calendar, so that will come up with important due dates or events or due dates, so that is also a good resource. Over here you will see the instructor profile. So that is going to contain some information about me and a link to my office hours. So I will be opening that up and available to meet with you during those times. Of course, we can talk outside of those times or email as well. Up at the top in the nav bar, you will find some links. So under here, for example, under assessments, you can access your grades. Under communication, you can also access discussions, which is a great place to ask general course discussion questions as well. That is a good kind of general introduction. Please be sure to let me know if you have any questions.